Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today I'm over here at 624 Temple Lane, which just hit the market, 1 bed, 1 bath for $389,000. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are at 624 Temple Lane. So right at the end of this street is going to be Big Bear Boulevard. And so it's walking distance to Big Bear Brewery. And then if you follow Temple Lane, it will hit Lakeview Drive, which will then run along the lake. So right around the corner from there, property line likely somewhere around right here. But also a chance could be right here, but I doubt it. So if you're interested, let me know and I'll find out. So we do have a house with an add-on. This is going to be the 1 bedroom. It was just a studio before. And it is now a true 1 bed, 1 bath with a little walkout area. So parking just coming in right here. And you've got these nice oak trees and a pine tree. It looks like a newer roof on it. Ooh, almost tripped. Newer roof. I can tell new windows on it as well. So it would be a good Airbnb, just because it's a simple 1 bedroom over in the Big Bear Lake area. So likely the property line is right here, and this being your property marker in the telephone pole. So while there's I have not been in, I'm not really sure if there is an attic space, but I do see a window up there, but you cannot open it. So a little bit of finish work to do, like an entryway, maybe just a little deck right here with a stair going down to the deck would be nice. But here we are entering the main part of the home. This is going to be the dining room right here and the kitchen. So again, dual pane windows, brand new. Electricity's off right now, so bear with me with the lights. We do have laminate hardwood floors, and I like that gray, like 3-tone on it, maybe even like a 4-tone. So I would do like a dining room right here, and then like a little couch right here, and a TV probably somewhere right here, or on that wall so that you could see it from the TV, from the kitchen. So here we are in the kitchen. We do have granite countertops, nice new cabinets. They are the slow close. And then we also have new appliances in the home as well. I mean, this is not an apartment size. I mean, that is pretty decent size for the size of the home. The size of the home, we're at 525 square foot on it. Lots of storage in the kitchen. And then this would be where the fridge goes. It looks like it's big enough for, I mean, possibly a real full-size fridge. But I think you could probably get away with one of those really cool, like vintage looking ones. So nice views outside, great neighbors all around. Looks like you've got a new construction going in across the street right here as well. So actually, now that I'm on this side, I would put a TV right here. I would probably put a couch right here and a table that way. But I do like the exposed beams in here. This is probably going to be for the thermostat. right there. Do have a wall heater. And honestly too, like lots of lighting. So it's already pretty bright in here with the windows open, no curtains or anything over it. But it's nice that they put all the lighting in. So pocket door going to the bathroom. In the bathroom, again, it's a little bit dark in here, but we have the full bathroom, nice vanity, put a mirror up above it, and then a full tub and shower, plastic tub. Yep. And it's same flooring all throughout the home too. Just laminate. So here we have the bedroom. So probably gonna need some sort of handrail right here in order to be a legal vacation rental. But nice how it's like a step down into the bedroom. Put the bed right here. Probably just a queen size would do. Maybe a king size would do. Could probably get a king, but then you're really tight. So I would do a queen and then have some sort of like storage rack right here so that guest could put their stuff on it. And then it's a little bit of a construction zone outside, but I'm gonna take you out here just to kind of show you the backyard. So we've got the deck, and I would probably put up like a bamboo privacy fence right here. A little hot tub back here would be nice. It's got a little bit of yard work to do. So this is where you're gonna have the access panel going underneath the home. And then I don't know if I have the key to this storage area, but it looks like I do. So this is where your laundry is gonna be and your water heater. Looks like a brand new water heater too. I like that it's covered, so when you walk out here, it's not going to be an ice skating rink in the wintertime as well. These are nice aspen trees in the back too. They make some pretty good privacy back here. All right, there you have it. 624 Temple Lane. 1 bed, 1 bath, 525 square foot. Laundry, pretty much all brand new on the inside. Great neighborhood, walking distance to the lake if you wanted to, and very, very close by to the village as well. So let me know if you would like to take a look. Talk to you soon. Bye.